What's up, YouTube? Big Boy Lance here again, and today we are going to unbox 2 Jordan sneakers. So let's go! So we have been in a Jordan 1 streak lately, and this is the last batch of our Jordan unboxing. So first, let's begin with bot. Wow! This sneaker is called the Jordan 1 Low Shattered Backboard. I love it! I've been wanting a pair of Jordan 1 Low for quite some times, and I have one now. I'm happy. We bought this from Outlet's Foot when we went to Bonifacio High Street. I am lucky because this is their last pair. So let's take a look at the sticker. On the toe area, we have this orange nubuck and a black mudguard. Going to the midsection, we got this white double leather with a black patent leather swoosh. At the back, we got the same orange nubuck extended to the collar of the shoe. Lastly, we have this orange outsole, which completes the whole look. Here is the on-fit look. Ang ganda talaga nito. Pero sayang, walang pambata yung gym red sa Nike. Alright, so buksan na natin itong isa pa. Wow! Ang ganda nito, guys! So this sneaker is called the Jordan 1 Peach Shattered Backboard. Wow! Parang makapatid lang, oh. Ito yung big brother at yung baby brother. Ang cute ng dalawa na to. I love it! This pair belongs to my uncle, and he really loves Jordan 1s. And has been wanting this pair when he saw it on Reef Manila. So let's take a look at a closer on this shoe. Just like the low version, the mudguard is made of black nubuck. On the toe area, we got this white double leather. Going to the midfoot, we have this orange patent leather swoosh, and at the back, we got this orange nubuck extended up to the collar of the shoe. Lastly, we have this black outsole. Here is the on-fit look. This colorway is really cool. Lalo guys, magka-terno pa kami. Isusuot namin to guys. Mag-sticker hunting kami. Alright guys, that's it for today's video of our unboxing of the Jordan 1 low shattered backboard and the Jordan 1 mid shattered backboard. Thank you for watching. Please follow me on Instagram at Lance Pineda Vlogs, and please follow me on Facebook on Lance Pineda Vlogs. Thank you for watching. Please leave us a like and subscribe for more videos. Please and God bless. Bye-bye!